explain why the southern exposure is so important?
Sure. So the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Pretty much, most people are aware of that. What most people don't know is that the sun, throughout the course of the day, is pretty much always in the southern sky. So while it's going east to west, it's traveling through the southern sky. Now, in the wintertime, it's more dramatically in the south because it's lower in the sky than in the summer, where it's almost overhead completely. So that southern exposure is really, really important if you're going to get any production during the winter.
Right, right. But conversely, if you have a whole bunch of big trees on the north side of your property, that's not really any kind of a red flag or a mitigating factor to installing solar, I guess.
That's correct.
Yeah, yeah.
If there's northern shading, it doesn't really matter. It's really important to be upfront with people too. A lot of people see heavily shaded roofs and they still give the same energy output estimates. Here's our thing: you can spend your money any way you want to, but we're going to be honest and accurate about how much energy you're going to get out of this. If you want to put up solar in a very heavily shaded area, we can do that, but we're going to let you know for sure the amount of energy that's going to be produced is going to be significantly reduced. We have plenty of clients who fall into that environmentalist bucket who say, well, the expense is still worth it because I'm doing something. And I applaud those people. But to the solar installers out there who install in a highly shaded area but don't warn their customers of reduced output, that again is something that hurts the industry.
Yeah, absolutely. And I speak alongside you that that's a super big point of pride. Um, I feel so confident talking to people when I can